Now, as they age, their health is unraveling. And here's why this moment rose above almost everything else we published this year. Dr. Wright wakes you up without shaming you. She's showing you the cost of ignoring your own needs, of ignoring your body. And then she hands you back your power in the exact same breath. Because Dr. Wright's whole message is this: you're not too old. You're not too late. You're not past the point of changing. Your body will always respond to the positive stress that you give it, the strength training, the nutritional changes, the mobility exercises. And when she says you do not have to be the victim of the passage of time, you can feel that in your bones. And you may not even be thinking about yourself. I hope you are. I hope you are. But you may be thinking and have this renewed sense of hope for one of your aunts, or maybe for your mom, or for your grandma, or for your older sister, who has been so busy taking care of her aging in laws that she's let herself go. And she's kind of saying, I don't know how I got here. That's why this episode was one of the biggest across every platform. And Dr. Wright started something that also went viral. She started something called the Viral Push-Up Challenge. You loved it. She told you and me that we had to be able to do 11 push-ups. I was like, on our knees? She's like, nope, on your toes. And she shared how to do this challenge with a level of humor and passion. You can start against the wall. You can start against your kitchen counter. When you're ready to get down on the knees, you can do it on the knees. And over time, she wants you and me to be able to do 11 push-ups. And you loved the challenge, and so did I. In fact, I did my push-ups this morning. I've been working on them all year, thanks to Dr. Wright. I'm still doing a couple on my knees. I'm not to the toes yet. It takes time, but I feel the strength. Now, if you have not listened to the entire conversation, or you listened and you're like, oh my God, I remember how amazing that was, I got to listen again. What are you waiting for? Your best years are not behind you. You are building your best years right now. And Dr. Wright is here with one of the most popular episodes of all time to give you the playbook on how to do that. Now, after hearing Dr. Wright and feeling that jolt of urgency and the hope about your intelligence and your body and the strength that you can build, now I want to pivot and take you somewhere deeper. Because one of the biggest patterns that we saw when we looked back at the entire year was you weren't just working on your health. You weren't just focused on building better habits. You were also working on healing. And when it comes to healing, there's one voice globally that rose above almost every other guest because he has this ability to help you understand yourself on the deepest level. And that is Dr. Gabor Maté. Dr. Gabor Maté is a world-renowned physician and #1 best-selling author whose groundbreaking work reveals how childhood experiences and trauma shape your emotional patterns, your relationships, and even your physical health across a lifetime. His insights have transformed the global conversation on healing, and his clarity and compassion help people like you and me finally understand themselves in a way that opens the door to real change, real connection, and real freedom. This episode was nothing short of a global phenomenon because Dr.